Specific brews may aid you in losing weight, thanks to plant compounds named catechins that can rev up metabolism. If you want to find out which teas can help you lose weight, watch this video of parshealthTV until the end. If you want to lose weight, we may add something to your daily diet. Move over your everyday cup of tea with milk and substitute it with these concoctions that will rev up your weight loss. These teas are declared to help you torch your belly fat and boost your metabolism, which further assists in losing overall weight. According to many scientific studies, drinking these beverages actually helps slash your hunger and cravings, preventing you from packing up on calories. Number 6. Oolong tea. Oolong tea is produced from leaves of the same plant from which green and black tea are created. Therefore, it delivers the same health benefits for weight loss. The polyphenols in the tea can speed up your metabolism and allow your body to utilize stored fat as energy, which in turn aids with weight loss. A study done in 2019 on Chinese females discovered that subjects who had 2 cups of oolong tea per day lost 2.2 extra pounds over 6 weeks. A 2018 study discovered that drinking oolong tea for 3 days improved energy expenditure by 3.5% compared to water, equal to 290 more calories every day. Oolong includes a mixture of polyphenols that give green and black tea their claim to fame: catechins, green tea, and theaflavins, black tea, according to a past review. Similar to these other tea types, oolong also delivers caffeine and may promote weight loss. A small study involving 12 participants issued in December 2020 in Nutrients discovered that males without obesity who drank oolong tea at breakfast and lunch experienced a 20% increase in post-meal fat burn after 15 days. Males who drank an experimental caffeine drink noticed similar results. Still, they didn't torch as much fat during sleep as the oolong group, meaning that the tea's caffeine content isn't only responsible for its results. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 5. Black tea or pu'er. Pu'er tea is a kind of Chinese black tea that has been fermented. It is traditionally consumed after a meal, and analyses have indicated it may reduce blood sugar and blood triglycerides. The cooked ripe pu'er tea can support the stomach fit and warm it when the fresh raw pu'er tea has a better influence on weight loss than the cooked tea because of its strong taste. It helps torch fat and help shed those extra pounds, and have a deliciously mellow and intensely earthy flavor. Number 4. Blue tea. Blue tea is formulated utilizing the beautiful butterfly pea flower that is stated to aid you in losing weight effectively. Studies have revealed that regular drinking of blue tea improves metabolism, which in turn torches extra fat. According to a study issued in the International Journal of Obesity and Related Metabolic Disorders, blue tea stops and assists in fighting obesity and fatty liver disorders. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and different compounds that are helpful for health. Multiple studies have demonstrated that green tea can help torch fat and aid you in losing weight. In numerous studies, caffeine, a famous stimulant, is declared to help fat burning and enhance exercise performance. The active compounds in green tea can help in this process by increasing the influence of some burning hormones. This partly oxidized tea is a famous choice with a bolder flavor than green tea yet milder than black. The fat-burning effects of green tea may lead directly to weight loss by helping lipid metabolism, some investigators theorize. For instance, a past study saw that drinking 4 cups of green tea daily helped people who were overweight or obese lose weight. In truth, around 75% of the subjects with severe obesity, those with a body mass index higher than 35, lost more than 2.5 pounds by the end of 7 weeks, and 25% lost more than 7 pounds. But while some studies indicate promise, more research is required to decide if and how green tea aids with weight loss. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. This tart, tangy tea is harvested from hibiscus leaves. It suggests catechins, including EGCG, and has been revealed to help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. One past study of animal and human studies, for example, indicates that hibiscus extract offers promise in treating high blood pressure and high cholesterol. However, the authors state we require more research before making recommendations. It may also aid you in keeping your weight at a healthier level. In a past analysis, individuals who were overweight or obese and who took a hibiscus extract for 10 weeks had decreased body weight, body mass index, body fat, and hip-to-waist ratio in comparison with a control group. The researchers linked those perks to the plant compounds in the hibiscus extract. Another research declared similar outcomes from feeding obese mice hibiscus extract for 2 months, though studies of equal duration haven't been performed in humans. Unfortunately, recent research is restricted to hibiscus extract. More research on liquid tea is required before scientists can make any decisions about its effectiveness for weight loss. Number 1. White tea. White tea is the least processed tea with the highest fat-burning micronutrients named polyphenols. White tea aids in breaking down fat and stops new fat cells from creating. White tea can also increase your metabolism by 6%, resulting in torching an extra 80 to 100 more calories daily. White tea has been demonstrated to suppress appetite and boost metabolism, so consuming it on a regular basis can assist you in shedding those extra pounds. The catechins in white tea may also aid in boosting metabolism. So, go on and add some white tea to your diet regime and lose weight in a healthful way. The minimal processing also suggests white tea contains a high amount of anti-inflammatory antioxidants and fat-burning EGCG compounds, making it another potentially useful brew for trimming weight. For instance, a recent test tube research discovered that white tea extract did exactly that: promote the breakdown of human fats and stop new fat cells from forming. According to researchers, these results were in large amounts thanks to EGCG. Test tube studies can assist in direct future research. In vitro studies let us test hypotheses in a controlled environment utilizing specific cells without distractions or complications that other variables bring when utilizing human subjects. However, the outcomes don't necessarily translate to real human beings. Those human studies are still required. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.